Rahul struggled with emotions he had never faced before. He loved Priya deeply, yet love did not answer the questions that haunted him. What kind of pain teaches someone to hide so completely, and what dangers continue to follow even after escape? As the villain of her life grew bolder, reaching out through threats that hinted at legal trouble, public humiliation, and unfinished business, Rahul felt fear rise within him. Each message carried the same intention, to remind Priya that her past still sought power over her present. Rahul believed in confronting truth directly and insisted they approach the police, trusting that law and clarity would bring protection. Priya, shaken but steady, feared exposure only because it meant reopening wounds she had fought hard to heal, not because she doubted the truth. When the wedding was briefly postponed, questions arose, and rumors began circulating, twisting fragments of reality into careless judgment. Her character was examined more harshly than the violence she had endured, revealing how easily society blamed survivors. Rahul's anger rose at a world that demanded silence and strength from people who had already suffered deeply. Standing beside her, he chose certainty over doubt and loyalty over fear. When the accusations resurfaced, Priya faced them with dignity, legally cleared and supported by truth. Rahul never stepped away. Together, they confronted the shadows without allowing them to define their future. Their wedding took place with quiet grace, surrounded by sincerity rather than spectacle. Vows were spoken with clarity and conviction, not trembling, but grounded in mutual respect and understanding. There was no denial of the past, only acceptance of it. Their marriage did not begin as an escape from fear, but as a conscious choice to build something honest and strong. Rahul understood that loving Priya meant standing with her, not against her history.